What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great week as usual. We're going to be getting through another unboxing video today, this time for the Off-White Dunks in Pine Green, my favorite colorway from the 3-pack. I love the shade of green on these, and this pair is also the only pair from the Off-White pack with a white base, which I think not only makes it more versatile for styling, but also allows this colorway to withstand the test of time a lot longer in my opinion. But before we get into the unboxing video, I'm going to be doing some light DIY and lace swaps, because although I appreciate how unique this collaboration looks, I like my gear to have a much cleaner aesthetic, and I think we can make some really simple changes to achieve a much cleaner looking shoe. So let's get that done real quick. So these are how I think the Off-White Dunks should look. Definitely a less is more kind of approach, but I'm way happier with this. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the unboxing. So first off, before we begin, I'm gonna start by saying that although dunks are really trendy right now, I'm actually really careful about which I pick up. I don't skate, and I'm a firm believer of always respecting the culture that you're in. Personally, I feel more comfortable picking up collaboration pieces because they usually have some ties into streetwear fashion or streetwear culture, which I'm way more well versed in. If you're into streetwear, you should know the history and the music. If you want to wear dunks or skate brands, you should know how to skate. Don't be a culture vulture. You should always learn and educate yourself of the culture that you want to get into. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. So we've got this really cool metallic silver Nike box, again with the off-white meteor shower style holes, which I explained in my last video. Off-white wrapping paper with the yellow YO13 motifs. This is actually from Off-White's Fall/Winter 19 public television collection, so that's a cool little nod. These wacky elastic cable style outer laces, which we no longer need. And no extra laces besides that. So getting into the shoe, we've got the classic sleek Nike Dunk Low, smooth but really thin feeling leather in white and pine green, external little elastic hooks for the outer laces, little orange accents for that subtle classic off-white twist, a deconstructed tongue area, very similar to the other off-white Nike collaborations. Of course, the signature off-white Oregon text on the inner side, the classic off-white zip tie, and finally my own twist with the cream and sail white laces for a much cleaner aesthetic. Oh, and in case you guys were wondering, I usually get my laces locally from my friends at Factory Knots. I really like buying from them because they put in the proper research for the different lengths you need for each specific shoe. They've got really great proper quality laces as well for a very affordable price point. Now let's get into the fun bits, on-foot looks and styling tips. There you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the Nike Off-White Dunk Lows in the pine green colorway. These are just a really clean, simple and versatile shoe for me. I'm really glad I managed to pick these up, and best believe they're gonna get a lot of wear from me. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, please drop a like, comment or share. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. And yeah, much love guys, peace, and see you guys again soon.